morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, Shag. Always a weekend. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Yeah, I came in newly today and I already took this trade yesterday. Yeah, when I was checking the trade, and I found an opportunity on this trade yesterday. Yeah, I took the entry from here. My stop loss was right there, and the first TP has already been taken out. So I'm in the second one, waiting to see what is gonna happen. I know I'm in a little bit of demand here, but I have the belief that this thing is gonna push up a little bit because of the news on Europe today. I want to check the calendar. Yeah. Oh, okay. I was looking at the wrong one then. 10:30. We have a German final manufacturer PMI. Now we'll see what will happen there. So that's what I'm looking at, and I will see how he has to go from there. If you pull more down, then I continue with it. Because overall, what the USD CAD is downtrending on the daily. So that's what I'm looking at, for it to pull more down. Then I can hit the second TP, then I'm out of the trade. But if not, I'm okay with this. Let's see. Aussie USD. Oh, let's look at Aussie. Yeah, Australia USD. Okay. Right now, there's nothing to do on the trade. It's already gone. On the day, on the 1 hour, nothing. Let's see 30 minutes. If you can get something out of it. No, it's not. No trade for me. No trade. 1 hour, no trade. Yeah, this retracement was the retracement on the daily, and this rally was the same rally on the daily. It's just it filled the week. I believe it still have more potential of still coming a little bit down, or we can decide to go up from there. Maybe come a little bit more down, then it push back up. One of the two. But for me right now, there's no trade on the USD card. I mean Aussie USD for me. Yeah, what I'm looking at now. Let's look at Euro yen. Euro yen. It's interesting. Oh, let me see. When was this one? Did I miss this one? Okay, no. That's interesting. Looking at it, the big pictures of it on the daily. You can see on the dailies on the supply zone on the daily. From the supply zone on the daily, that's where it's having a reaction, because look, it came up, went down, came up, went down. Now it come back, it's up again. It's having a reaction over here. If the institutions still have some of their entry here, the sell entry, that's thing they've been generating from this place. If they still have their entry in the order is not yet fully filled, then I believe we already seen how many times they came in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 6, 7, 8. It's getting weaker. I don't think there's much order for them anymore here. I'm looking at it in the big picture of it on the daily. For me, this is like profit taking. This is what I mean by when the institution are taking their profit. Look, they came in from here, they sell off, they took a little bit of profit, they sell off, they took a little profit. I believe right here is when they sell big and they dry it down. And right now they're taking profit and they sell back more down. Now all this is just a profit taking. It's just profit taking. Look at it, the way it's just going from all the way from here, because there is no break of this demand. It's just going up, little bit of retracement, up, little bit of retracement, up. Yeah, there's no break of this demand zone. It's just going. Right now they're back. Where are they now? They're back to where they came in. So all the cells that they sell now, they're already back in, fully back again. Make they edge their position to get more of their more of the price. So they have more liquidity, more money in the bank. Sorry. So this is what they're doing right now. So let's see if this daily will hold. If the daily will hold, that means it's gonna push back. If not, I believe them are going up to go and retest 29, 29,20. I mean 129. Sorry, 129.20. They'll be going there to test it. So that is what I think the yen is gonna do on the today. Let's look at it on 60 minute, on 1 hour. It's what I just said, and you can see on the 1 hour, they're pulling back down now. On the 1 hour, you can see they come down, then back up, come down. Maybe this push up a little bit and try to come down. Maybe. So we'll see what's gonna happen. For me, if I have to get into this trade, I have to wait for it to come up a little bit more, so then I can be able to have a tight stop loss if possible. Then I can put my stop loss somewhere in the air. But if you try to break this, I take it from this. I can put a sell limit on 127 to try to sell it back down, and a stop loss come up over here 127.38. That's what I'll be looking if I have to take this trade on 1 hour. But I can still go more lower to the lower time frame to look for entry if I see any opportunity of how he's moving. Yeah. Let me look at Euro USD. Euro USD is loading. Okay. Looking at this is similar to Euro Yen. Let's look at the big picture and see. Yeah, it's an uptrend. We can see it's an uptrend. A little bit of pullback. It went back up now. He's ranging in this little zone right here. You can see the supply and demand is ranging right here. So if it's in a range mode to me, then looking at this trade on the lower time frame, which is 60 minutes, you have to look for something. Yeah, that's where we'll see this. You see how this pullback, and it's in between the supply and demand on the then we have to try to see, let it come down here or let it go back up here. That's when I'm gonna see if I can be able to look for anything to trade from here. Yeah. Yeah, not too much on this trade. Not too much on it. And let's see if we can get any other opportunity on any other trade. Let's see if we can get any other opportunity on any other trade. Wow. I think there's something on GBP USD. There's a potential short trade I'm seeing here. You see all this. It has been just in a way of in the, what will I call it? Will I call it a channel or so? Yeah, just been this way. This uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. Yeah, for a very long time. It's just ranging on the same place on the daily. So this, for me, is just to look for ways to shut the market, just bring it down. I think that's what I have to do on this 60-minute. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do on the daily. Yeah. And 60-minute, I need to shut the trade. That is for me. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm selling it. I'm putting my stop loss just above it and try to take the
order submitted. Order failed.
Just my stop loss somewhere here. Oh yeah, I need to inform my fellow friends that I'm in the trade already. I'm in GBP USD. GBP USD shots. Yeah, yeah, that is a trade. That's the first trade for this February. No, second trade. The first one was the USD card yesterday, middle of the night. I saw the trade. Yeah, same thing. And this will be the second one now. So we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, I need to check my other account. Sorry guys, just quickly need to check something. But let's look at another trade if we can get opportunity. We know we are still in USD CAD. We're still in USD CAD and it's still doing good. Let's see if we can get more opportunity. Now this one is retracement. Sorry, I'm looking at my other account just to be. Okay. USD card is now retracing. Yeah, but we still have us. We already take the first TP, so let's put the other one down here. At least to take something out of it if it doesn't go our way. Where is this one? I wanna look for. Yeah, this one. I wanna take this straight. Yep. As this one is going, I believe we're in deep profit on the GBP USD. Yeah, I believe we're in deep profit on GBP USD, so we just have to keep it that way. Not for me to give anything back. Let me just close this one.
Order submitted. Order failed.
Looking at GBP USD, we're already in 18 pips right now. So, because looking at it already, it came into the demand here, and from the demand here now we're finding a little bit of resistance. So it's going back up. Maybe you want to play the range of supply demand range. So it's better we'll go out and at least this one is already like 15 14. It's fluctuating between 15 14 pips. So yeah, then we'll take that one. See, we're already in profit on this one. So there's still more liquidity they have here. I'm having a little bit of doubt with it because it's not pulling away very fast. It's not pulling away very fast. Because looking at the way it pulled out here, it came into retest and it pulled really back down. And same thing here, it came in, it pulled back with a very deep candle, bearish candle, and the next one was also bearish, very deep one. And look at it, the third time it came in here. See, a very deep bearish candle form. But look at this time, this candle was not that strong. There's no bearish like engulfing candle because look, it has 1, 2, 3 times the engulfing candle form. Even I can even say 4 times. Look at this one here, engulfing this one, and this also engulfing this one, and the same thing here, but this one not. So I'm still having a little bit of a sketchy doubt on this trade if it's really gonna move like I'm expecting it to. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. You can see the buyers came in here, the push back up, but the sellers they say they're still in control. The bank said no, we're selling. We still wanna sell. So because they start to sell from here and here and here, look, if they still have more liquidity in there, which then let's look at chef. No, no. No, I'm still looking. I'm still looking at it now. It's gonna end, but we'll see. Oh, let's look at USD chef and we can see on 1 hour. Where are we? This is where we are. Well, let's look at the daily. See, we're trying to pull back up. We'll find the resistance here by a demand already created here. The engulfing of this smoke candle. So now it's pushing up. Yep. Let's see that on 1 hour. Yeah, I think it's gonna look like the USD card that wanna really push up. So we just let it do its thing, and we'll find any opportunity, then we'll take it. On the 30 minute. Hmm. Okay. Now see where they start from. Yeah, I think you can still get to this 89.40. You can still push more down to this 89.40. You still have more potential to push up here, but 89.40. So all this is just a little bit of pullback, the way I see it. Remember, nothing goes up forever. It goes up, it comes back down. So this run, there's gonna be a little bit of relief, then before you can go back. So on the 30 minutes, if you can come up to maybe 89.40 and give me a potential of a signal that is still going back down, I might take a shot on that. So for now, I'll keep it open. I just keep it open. See what I mean? See, can you see go back up? Well, let's look again. USD yen. Wow, wow. Let's see. I think let me look at the daily first, because the way I'm looking at this, I'm gonna shut this also. It's pulling up. It's pulling up, leaving the demand zone, trying to get back up. Mm. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna just take the shot direct on this one. I'm not gonna sell direct because looking at it already feel it already come. It opened down here and it went down a little bit and it pulled up. So with this candle, you see I have a potential of filling this week of this daily. So pulling back up to this day, this small candle that comes up is a very big candle in 1 hour. So there's a potential that can still fill this week. So let's I'll keep it I'll just keep eyes on it. I'm not gonna try to play anything direct on it right now, or try to short it or wanna sell it, or just keep eyes on it. Because if he can pull up, you see how he's pulling up in 1 hour. See how he's pulling up. The week can be maybe up to here or even here, the one you want to feel. So I have to wait and see how the distance of this candle is, this zone is. This supply zone, so it's really big. So I have to wait. I'm looking at it right now. It's ranging in this position. It has not given yeah, it has not given its green light where it's going. So looking at it, it's still ranging, still in the one spot, up and then up and then up and down. So that's the main reason why I just have to keep my eyes on it. I'm not gonna do anything right now. I'll just keep watching it. I have it in my radar right now. Let's look at another trade if you can get any opportunity. Yeah. Oh, come on. Too slow. Hi, good morning, so maybe I will be. Yeah, good morning from Spain. Yeah, today will be a good day. Today will be a good day. Let's just keep our eyes on this chat, and if we find any opportunity, we just take it. Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name, if you don't mind, and I don't want to like jeopardize the name. Let me just say the guy from Spain. Let's put it that way. Today's gonna be a good day. We already start with a positive trade. We're already in, as we know, we're already in a GBP USD. So we're looking for another opportunity that we can be able to take a sell or take a buy from another trade. So we just have to keep calm and try to take the trade that we can. If you have any pairs you want me to look at, just put it on the chat. Then I'll take a look at it. If you have anything you want me to discuss about, just put it there and we'll talk about it. Or maybe you have anything you're looking at or things you're not clear with, just put a question there. I'm reading out the question and I will answer it. I have some other guys on YouTube. Why you guys on the Twitch? So if it might take me a while to answer all the questions, but I will surely answer all questions. Okay, New Zealand. Let's look at New Zealand on the daily. Same thing New Zealand is doing on the daily is like a little bit of ranging between the supply and the demand, and it has already created another little bit of a demand here because it didn't even reach this one to tap into this liquidity before it went back up. So it creates another demand here, and it came back to retest it. It went up, but it did not reach the supply. So it's in between the demand and the supply of this little one. So it's a little bit of ranging on the daily. So what is the possibility? Let's go into our lower time frame and see if we can get any opportunity to take any trade. Grace of God. Post-Punchinel is it's not currency right now. That you're talking about stocks, and I do stocks later in the day, not when I'm looking at currency right now. I'm gonna take a look at it for you, but no, no, no. Let me be done with this one. Yeah, looking at this New Zealand USD, the game plan for me is for just to allow you to come down to the demand or go back to the supply and just try to take it down. Because right here is like he's in no man's land, and I'm not gonna touch it when he's in no man's land. I try to take it from the supply or from the demand, and that I could be able to get more of my stop loss can be a little bit not too much big, and I can get a better move and better risk to reward if I take it from that way. So I'm just keep waiting, and I will see if he's gonna get down here or he's gonna pull back up. But I believe there is a potential of really coming down here because look at the gap that is great, and he already the gap was open and he filled the gap, so maybe he have a potential of coming back down and break this. Even it might even break this demand because this demand, looking at it from here, yeah, he already fulfilled his work, so he might decide to break it and come and retest this 71.14 before going back up. So that is my take on this New Zealand USD. Okay. I'm just reading all the chats and finding, looking what's it. Let's look at another opportunity to see if you can get any other opportunity on another chat. Remember, Monday is always slow day, so don't rush yourself to be in the trade at the same time or looking for opportunity very fast later. Just take your time, plan the trade ahead of the time, and yeah, who knows? Yeah, Aussie yen, almost same thing like a New Zealand USD. If you guys see, did you guys notice that? Almost same thing. Look, he also has a little bit of gap that he already filled and he's up, and he's trying to come back down here again. So there's no trade for me on this one. I don't have any trade here right now. No trade. No trade. Yeah. Yeah, gold has a potential of shooting up. Well, we'll see. We'll see. what is it saying there on this? Let's look at it on the daily first to see the big picture of the gold. Look, from the demand, I mean from the supply here, but it didn't come down to retest the demand. But in between, it creates a little bit of demand, and that is pushing up. And in between it, there's also a little bit of supply. If you look very good, look at this. Based on the daily, see, it came down, and then retested it, and it came back again in here, tested. So now it's coming down. So there's a potential of the gold really going down. If the USD push more up, the gold is really gonna go down, more down. So that's what we're seeing right now. Looking at it on the 1 hour, to me that's what is gonna happen. You can see all this little week, the buyers and the sellers. So yeah, this one will draw on the daily, right? You see, it came in, it tested it, and now look at it. There's even on the 1 hour. Like you see that on the 1 hour, he has what? He has the supply over here, and what the supply is trying to like to do what? To come down. So to me, I believe gold is gonna drop. If gold is gonna drop, I believe if it will drop maybe to 1854, that will be where it's gonna drop to, and from there, it might be able to have more strength to go back up. 1854 is where it's gonna drop to. Because looking at it on a daily, yeah, but I'm not gonna rush to take any trade on gold, so I have to really watch it clearly because carefully. I mean, gold is very very volatile, so you also need to know what you're doing before you want to take any trade on it. I'm not giving anybody advice on what to trade and how what to enter or anything. Please don't hold me for any loss you make. So please, this is I'm doing this for my own way. Yeah, that's my advice on gold. Yeah, that's my own advice on gold. So I believe gold is still gonna drop. Gold always if I have to take it, I will let it come up and come into this supply zone and see if I can get any potential of shorting it from here. Because taking it from here, where will be my stop loss? I'm targeting back this down. Yeah, it's too risky. You have a big stop loss, small risk to reward. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Let's see Oli. Oli. Yeah, I think. Let's Oli crude oil. Let's look at the weekly. I want to see something on the weekly. Yeah, That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Cause seeing that 1 hour, I wanna go and see the big picture of it. I'm looking at this place. There's a potential here. Yeah, there's this one here. If I have to make it this way, I break it, but retest it back, but it's in between this. So if I have to bring this back in here, let's see, right here. Yeah, something like that. I am still looking at that thing. There's a potential for the gold to drop. This will be a supply that been taken out, but it's still, you can see on the weekly, still ranging on it. I don't normally use a trend line, but if I have to use this, let's say from here down here, where is it gonna drop to? There's a potential here dropping down to this 39.71 on the weekly, 39.71. If I've been looking at it, 39.71. Yeah, it's possible. You see, yeah, it's possible. So anything from here. So let's look at the daily of it. The daily. See, on the daily, it has also already have a supply here. So if he's gonna look at what we mark on the weekly, so on the daily he already has a supply, so he can push up and decide to come down. Yeah, there's a lot of steps that he has to break before he get down. So for me, I take away in this crude oil is gonna drop. It's really gonna drop. But how far is it gonna drop? That one I cannot say. But thinking if he has to drop, maybe down to. Oh, I need to remove this. How far is it gonna drop? Yeah, to me, if he has to drop, maybe all the way down. All the way down there. To the maybe to 39, 34. 39.34 something, if he's gonna drop. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking on there. On the gold. Yeah, I mean the only monthly. Can I get monthly? Yeah, I think he's approaching the. Yeah, his thing is approaching the monthly. He's approaching the monthly. Yeah, you see. Yeah, this is drop, base drop, and this is a little bit of this thing here. So yeah, same thing. This is same thing. It's possible for the Oli to drop in this place. Seeing this, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, it's possible for the Oli to drop this monthly. Yeah, we see. So for the Oli, just be careful for how you take the trade. If anyone taking it, I can stretch myself more than that on that trade. Okay, let's see. I believe we're pretty up on the GBP USD. It's really going good. The trade is going good. While I'm looking at the GBP US JPY, can someone tell me how the GBP USD is doing? Yep. Yeah, we're really up here.
Target filled.
First target GBP JPY 8. So let's quickly look at that. We already take the first TP on GBP JPY. Thing where the damage will secure roughly 30 pips or 40 pips. We're securing that. Come on, you're too slow. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah. See, we already secure almost 30 something pips, and now we're targeting the second one, just right here. See. Yeah, my friend from Spain, we can see today is a good day. Let's move the stop loss to break even, to secure what we already have, and we are aiming for the second TP to just to hit. So let's go back and look at the GBP JPY that we are trying to see if we can get a potential buy or sell from it. If you're really enjoying the stream, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you've not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe so you get notification anytime I come live. Then you can be able to trade together and see if we can all both make money together. Yeah, GBP, JPY, daily. Can you get down here to 144? That would be nice on the daily. If you can get to 144 on the daily, then we can get a potential. Then we can get a potential sell. If you can get a yeah. Let's look at it on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. We can see. Oh, it's already retracing on 1 hour. Yeah, but it's not that weak. It's not that weak, but it's not that weak. So I'm not gonna consider it as up there. It can still push up, but the room is really big to get to 144. The room is really big to get to 144. Yeah, maybe I just have to see if I can get this opportunity here. Come back to retrace this. If it's gonna push back down, then I can try to ride the trend back up in a way of trend continuation. Yeah, we'll see. I'm 9 ace. We'll see. Anybody looking at Cardian? Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost there. We're pushing it. How far we'll go, we don't know. Cardian just left. Just left. Yeah, on the daily, we could see it has a little bit of a supply here. It came down, it went back to test state. Is it gonna drop? It's already dropping. We could see this drop is the reaction of the daily that is having. Going back to the 1 hour. Yeah, going back to the 1 hour. So we'll see if we can get an opportunity to take this trade. Let's check the lower time frame, 30 minutes. Yeah. Nah, I can't. I can't. No, it's gone already. It's gone. Only if he has to retrace back to come and retest this 82, then maybe then I can take the trade back down. Yeah, that's the only when I can take the trade back down. But for now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. It's pushing back up. Let's see if he can. He has the strength. Let's see if he has the strength to come back and test the 82. If he can, that would be great. I'll really be ready. I'll be ready watching the trade. Alright guys, there's not much. Already look at all the chats and planning for the next trade that I'm going to take.